If you love cooking, the right frying pan can completely change your kitchen game. Today, I'm reviewing the top 10 best frying pans on Amazon, from high-tech non-stick to classic cast iron. These picks are trending, durable, and perfect for everyday cooking. Let's find the best frying pan for your needs and budget. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Hexclad Hybrid Non-Stick Frying Pan. The Hexclad Hybrid Non-Stick Frying Pan is perfect for home cooks who want innovation and durability. It combines stainless steel and non-stick technology using a laser-etched hexagonal surface. This allows you to sear like stainless steel while enjoying easy food release. It's metal utensil safe, oven safe, and dishwasher friendly, making it extremely versatile. Heat distribution is excellent, which helps cook food evenly without hot spots. Whether you're frying eggs, sautéing vegetables, or cooking protein for meal prep, this pan performs consistently. It's a premium choice that balances performance and convenience, especially for people who cook often and want long-lasting cookware. All-Clad D3 Stainless Steel Fry Pan. The All-Clad D3 Stainless Steel Fry Pan is a top choice for serious home cooks. Built with tri-ply bonded construction, it offers outstanding heat control and durability. This pan is ideal for searing, browning, and deglazing, giving you restaurant-quality results at home. It doesn't have a non-stick coating, so it's perfect for high-heat cooking and long-term use. The ergonomic handle stays cool, and it's compatible with all cooktops, including induction. If you want professional performance and don't mind using proper cooking techniques, this stainless steel frying pan is a long-term investment worth making. T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Frying Pan. The T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Frying Pan is known for affordability and reliability. It features a durable, hard anodized aluminum body that resists scratches and warping. The signature thermospot heat indicator tells you when the pan is perfectly preheated, which is great for beginners. Its non-stick coating allows for low-oil cooking, making it ideal for fitness-focused meals. Cleanup is fast and easy, and the pan works well for eggs, pancakes, and stir-fries. For everyday cooking without spending too much, this is one of the best budget-friendly frying pans on Amazon. Calphalon Classic Non-Stick Frying Pan. The Calphalon Classic Non-Stick Frying Pan offers solid performance with user-friendly design. It heats evenly and features a dual-layer non-stick coating that makes food release effortless. The long handle stays cool and provides a secure grip while cooking. This pan is oven-safe and dishwasher-safe, adding convenience for busy kitchens. It's ideal for daily cooking tasks like sautéing vegetables, cooking chicken, or making quick breakfasts. If you want dependable non-stick performance from a trusted brand without going premium, this Calphalon frying pan is a smart and practical choice. GreenPan Valencia Pro Ceramic Non-Stick Frying Pan. The GreenPan Valencia Pro Ceramic Non-Stick Frying Pan is perfect for health-conscious cooks. It features a ceramic non-stick coating free from harmful chemicals, making it safer for everyday cooking. The pan heats quickly and evenly and is reinforced with diamond particles for durability. It's compatible with induction cooktops and oven-safe, offering flexibility. Food releases easily and cleanup is simple. If you want a non-toxic frying pan that doesn't compromise on performance, this GreenPan model is one of the best ceramic options available. Lodge Cast Iron Skillet. The Lodge Cast Iron Skillet is a classic kitchen essential. Pre-seasoned and ready to use, it offers unmatched heat retention and durability. This skillet is ideal for searing, frying, baking, and even grilling. Over time, it develops a natural non-stick surface with proper care. It's compatible with all heat sources, including ovens and campfires. While it requires maintenance, the results are worth it. If you enjoy traditional cooking and want a pan that lasts a lifetime, this Lodge Cast Iron Skillet is a must-have. Caraway Non-Toxic Ceramic Frying Pan. The Caraway Non-Toxic Ceramic Frying Pan combines modern design with healthy cooking. Its ceramic coating is free from harmful chemicals, making it safer for everyday meals. The pan is lightweight, heats evenly, and looks great in any kitchen. It's best suited for low to medium heat cooking, like eggs, vegetables, and fish. Cleanup is easy, and minimal oil is needed. If aesthetics and non-toxic materials matter to you, Caraway delivers a stylish and functional frying pan that fits modern lifestyles. Amazon Basics Non-Stick Frying Pan. The Amazon Basics Non-Stick Frying Pan is ideal for beginners or budget shoppers. It offers decent heat distribution and a simple non-stick surface for everyday cooking. While it's not designed for high heat or heavy use, it works well for quick meals like eggs, grilled sandwiches, or reheating food. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle, and cleanup is fast. If you want an affordable frying pan that gets the job done without extra features, this is a solid entry-level option. Tramontina Professional Restaurant Fry Pan. The Tramontina Professional Restaurant Fry Pan is built for performance and durability. Made with heavy-gauge aluminum and a reinforced non-stick coating, it's designed for high-volume cooking. Heat distribution is excellent, and the pan holds up well under frequent use. It's oven-safe and NSF certified, making it popular in professional kitchens. If you cook often or meal prep regularly, this frying pan offers restaurant-level reliability at a reasonable price. Cuisinart Chef's Classic Stainless Steel Frying Pan. The Cuisinart Chef's Classic Stainless Steel Frying Pan is a great all-around option for home kitchens. It features an aluminum encapsulated base for even heating and reliable performance. This pan is oven-safe, dishwasher-safe, and compatible with all stovetops. If you're looking for a durable stainless steel frying pan that balances quality and price, this Cuisinart model is a dependable choice. Before you go, make sure to check the links in the description for the latest prices and details. If this video helped you, please like, comment your favorite pan, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell for more top product reviews.